Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Alpha Network, guys. This is a mining app, and this coin has been trading in some exchange. Do you understand? You can also make your own research. So I'm actually going to get the app and let's get started. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on instead. So guys, I'm done installing the app. So I'm actually going to click on open now and let's see. This is a mining app, and this coin has been trading on some exchange. You can actually make your own research. Do you understand? So I'm going to walk you through. So I don't have an account. I'm going to continue with Google. I will choose Google. You can actually choose Facebook, email, any one of your choice. Do you understand? I'm going to choose Google. So that once I log in with my email, once I click Google, I will log in with my email. Do you understand? So make sure that you see this video to the end. Do you understand, guys? So I'm going to click on agree. Understand? So I'll click on Google now. So try to see this video to the end, guys. So guys, after clicking on Google, you choose your email. Do you understand? So it's actually going to bring out the emails you have on your phone. So you choose the one you normally use for airdrops and all of that. Do you understand? So stay tuned. I'm going to choose, say, select language. I will choose English. So I'll select English. Do you understand? So stay tuned while I walk you through. I don't have an account. And I hear that. Sorry about that. And I hear that this mining has been going on for 2-3 years now. Do you understand? I'm just seeing this. So any update that I get about airdrops, I'll bring it up to you guys. You all know that you all know that. Sorry about that. You all know that in this channel we talk about how to make money online through cryptocurrency without spending a dime. So if this is your first time of seeing my video, subscribe, scroll down to my channel. There are other important videos that you're actually going to benefit from. So stay tuned, guys. Please share this video, like, comment, so that others can also benefit from me. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, try to join the channel. Do you understand? There are other updates. There are other projects that I made a post about. There are so many of them that I didn't make a video of. Do you understand? So join the channel and then scroll up, and then you're actually going to see those things. So it's actually loading, so let's give it a little time. So guys, once it's done loading, once you choose English, then once it's done loading, this interface is actually going to show up. So it says welcome Edosky. Do you understand? Invite code. Please inside the invite code you receive, you say this is optional, but without an invitation. Do you understand? Without an invitation code, you will not receive the bonus 1 alpha coin. You get that? So it says your name. Do you understand? Username. This will also be your referral code. So friends can join your team. So that I'm actually going to leave this referral code on this video description, and I'll also be leaving the link. So click on it and register and start mining, guys. You can also make a search about this project that has gone viral for fucking 2 years, and I wasn't even aware, guys. So immediately you see this video now, get this app and start mining immediately. Do you understand? So I'm actually going to click on continue. Do you see that? So I'm going to click on continue now, and let's see what it brings out. Please share this video, give this video a thumbs up so that others can also benefit from it. So guys, once you click on that continue, this interface is actually going to show up. You see start mining. Press the coin to start the mining session. Then I say mining happens in the cloud. You can close the app after starting. It will not drain your battery. Do you understand? So I'm going to click on it now. Do you understand? I'm going to click on this yellow icon. Do you get that? So let's see what it shows. So guys, you can actually see that I got one alpha. Do you get that? So every 24 hours, wait, you see there was a problem. Let me try rolling it. So guys, I had to close the app and open it again. So every 24 hours, do you see that? We come back here now. So guys, check out the latest alpha game release to earn real money while game. So we are not here to game, we are here to actually farm. Do you understand? To mine. So immediately you see this video now, just jump on this and then start mining. So I'll be leaving the invite code on this video description. See, every 30 minutes you get a free open loot box. So let's just navigate through the app and let's see. Let me click on this. See, open loot box. So you can win coins or rate reward 0.30 rate. Okay, every 30 minutes now we come back here. Do you understand? So every 24 hours I'll claim those ones. So it says collect reward. So every 30 minutes, do you see that it said active team members you get 0.20 per hour for each active inviter. So immediately you are done with the registration, you invite your friends by clicking on this icon. Do you see that? So this is my invite code, Edosky. Do you see that? So I'll be leaving this code now on this video description. So once you are done with the registration, you click. I hope you see what they wrote at the earlier. So if you didn't add invite code, you will not be getting that one off. Do you understand? So keep mining every 30 minutes. Do you see that? Every 30 minutes we come back here and claim this. Then every 24 hours we come back here and claim this. So guys, don't sleep on this, jump on it. If this is your first time of seeing my video, scroll down to my channel. There are other important videos that you are actually going to benefit from. Do you understand? So guys, that will be all for now. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, try to join my Telegram channel. I make posts there on a daily. If you have questions, this is where I can be able to answer you immediately. Do you understand? Always active there. Do you understand? So that'll be all for now, guys. So we can actually navigate through the app. Do you hear that minimum number of mining section? Blah blah blah. You can go to your profile. Let's check their. You know what? Let's just check their Twitter. Do you understand? Let's check their Twitter, and then let's navigate through the app. Let's check out their Twitter handle. Do you understand? Let's just check their Twitter handle. So I don't know why the thing is not opening. Coming. And guys, I don't know why the thing is not working. So it's already late. So tomorrow I'm going to do a video on how to start your KYC. Do you see that? KYC. Now I'm going to do another video on how to do your KYC. So guys, stay tuned. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. So that will be all for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you soon.